Welcome to the Opportunity series brought to you by OptionsLake, creating opportunities through the power of options. This series of videos will cover a high-level view of how options can be leveraged by a typical individual investor. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking about technical analysis and how it can be leveraged to create an edge in options trading. So what is technical analysis? In short, technical analysis is the study of inter and intraday price, volume, momentum, and sentiment data to predict future price movement. We always see that stocks and indices moves in ebbs and flows, and technical analysis provides better odds of determining the exact timing of these ebbs and flows. In the next few slides, I'm going to demonstrate the power of technical analysis through simple charts and patterns. So here is a daily XLE chart. As you can see, there are three moving averages denoted here. Pay special attention to the white line, which is 21-day exponential moving average line. As you can see, from January onwards, every time XLE price tries to move below the white line, the buyers have come in and taken control and pushed the price upwards. So this indicates that for this particular time frame, XLE is in a very strong bullish zone. Let's look at another slide. This is a weekly Amazon slide. As you can see from the slide, Amazon has been trading neutral from July 2020 onwards between the support and resistance level as depicted in the channel on this chart. So just by looking at the pattern and the chart, one can very clearly identify the neutral structure of Amazon. Let's look at another chart. This is a mean reversion example. So the white line at the middle is the 21-day exponential moving average, which also is referred as mean by most of the technical analysts. The red, yellow, and purple channels above and below the white indicates plus, minus 1, 2, and 3 ATRs. Now, what is an ATR? ATR is average true range, which gets calculated based on the price range for a particular stock over a time period. So if a daily ATR of a stock is 50, it means that on an average, it moves by plus or minus $50 on a daily basis. So if you look at this chart, every time SPX has hits extreme, which is plus 3 or minus 3 ATR, it generally has reversed back to the mean, which is towards the white line. So if you are looking at it and using it for your technical analysis, it just improves the odd of a directional trade for you once it sort of hits the extreme as depicted in this chart. So to conclude this section, number one, always remember that technical analysis provides an edge in options trading by identifying the trend in market, sector, and the stock within a particular sector. Number two, smart money in the market these days is flowing based on automated algorithms that rely heavily on technical analysis. And if you have the right technical analysis tools that you're using for your trading, the odds are that you are with the smart money trading and not against them, which is extremely important. Number three, some of the concepts of technical analysis that we covered today in the video are based on very fundamental technical analysis theories like support resistance levels, mean reversion, moving averages. And this is to demonstrate the art of possible with technical analysis. But besides these, there will be a variety of trend, momentum, volume, and volatility indicators that we are going to be making videos on in future. Options is one of the most creative financial instruments available to all of us. And despite many misconceptions that exist around how options are really only for the big guys, there are ways for an average retail investor to leverage options. All it takes is a little bit of foundational education and potentially some hand-holding. That's what we at OptionsLake do. If you'd like helpful tips on options on a regular basis, make sure to hit the subscribe button. For other resources like blogs, articles, please visit our website at www.optionslake.com.